Hi everybody, my name is Van, aka Food and Travel Addict. Welcome back to another video of cooking and eating. Today we got the Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Alright, so I didn't record a part where I marinated, but basically what you need is drumsticks, lemongrass, salt and pepper. You need chili peppers. Let me put in the I'll put in the chili peppers as I cook it, huh? Chili peppers, little bit of cayenne and paprika powder, and a splash of coconut soda, and a little bit of soy sauce and fish sauce. That's all there is to it. So this is a traditional Vietnamese dish. Got sauce salad, lemongrass chicken. All right, let's fire up the stove, huh? Let's go. All right, so chili pepper works, jalapeno works, or if you're a spice head, go for some Carolina Reapers. But yeah, the traditional ingredient just requires Thai chili peppers. Let's go, fam. All right, we finally got the ring light to work, fam. So you want to cook it on medium high. So on a electric stove, like a 7 or an 8. Yeah. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, whatever. Today we're using extra virgin olive oil. All right. So you want to put the chili peppers in last. Yeah, if you put it in first, it's gonna be burnt. Yeah. All right. And the best is the drumstick, and chicken wings also works, but I like drumsticks for this recipe. Drumsticks and thighs. All right, put a few in. Let's go with 3, huh? And save 2 for tomorrow. Look at that sizzling sound, fam. All right, zoom in closer, huh? You hear that sizzling? Yes, sir. Woo! Shit. Yeah, that thing is exploding. I think because of the frozen lemongrass. Yeah, you can buy fresh lemongrass and chop it up, or you can buy frozen lemongrass at the Asian supermarket. So once again, lemongrass, soy sauce, fish sauce, a splash of soda water, salt and pepper, some cayenne and paprika chili powder. Oh yeah, and also garlic, yeah. Chopped garlic as well. Gonna throw in some garlic as well. Let's go. Alright, fam. The outside looks burnt, but it's chicken, you know. Yeah, chicken takes very long time to cook. I think the inside is just perfect. Alright, let's go take a look, huh? Alright, fam. The inside is cooked to perfection. Alright, let's get some rice. You can eat it with whatever you want, like cucumbers or kimchi, whatever, you know. Let's see if I have some vegetable in the fridge, huh? No vegetable in the fridge, so we're just gonna eat rice and lemongrass chicken. Let's go. All right, without further ado, strap on the mic. Get straight to it, huh? Look, fam, I think we ran out of soy sauce. Yeah. Me try to find some soy sauce, huh? I'll be right back. Never mind. Wifey was hiding it. It's behind some Vietnamese coffee. Maggie, this is the best soy sauce. I know it says seasoning, but it's the same. Yeah. Way better than Kikkoman. Yeah. This, my friend, right here is the best soy sauce. It's made in France, yeah, and the French makes good stuff when it comes to food and fashion, right? Food and fashion gotta go with the French and wine. Yeah, French wine, some Bordeaux, some Bordeaux red wine. Mm. Yes, sir. Mm. Make sure I have the mic on, huh? Mm. Mm. So good, fam. Mm. Look at that. Cooked to perfection. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell for more food and travel, home cooking, and anything food and travel related. Mm. You can eat it with cucumbers, but my favorite is to eat it with kimchi. Yeah. I know kimchi is not Vietnamese, but yeah. Yeah, eat this with kimchi, best thing ever. Or like pickle vegetables. That's good too. I haven't cooked at home too much. I work at a pizza place and I get free food at work, so yeah, I haven't done too much cooking lately. Mm. See, chicken takes a long time to cook, yeah, compared to all the other meats. I think it's even longer than pork. And I highly recommend let the marinade sit for like 24 to 48 hours. Yeah. These types of food is better to let it sit in the marinade. Same with steak. Yeah. Steak 24, 48 hours. Mm. Let's make a thumbnail, huh? All in one. Mm. I know you don't see any chili peppers. You're supposed to slice it up and throw in last, but yeah, we're gonna skip the chili peppers last. And the lemongrass, you throw in some more lemongrass at the last minute. But you also use the lemongrass to marinate it, I believe. So all the lemongrass have been burnt already, but it's mainly for flavoring. My mom showed me a recipe, but I don't have all the ingredients. Yeah. You also throw in some a splash of soda water, soda whatever. The, yeah, it's used for cooking. A splash of that. Mm. Mm. Look at that, man. You can't get this at a Vietnamese restaurant in Denver. They used to have it, but not anymore. They used to have it, but not anymore. Maybe nobody ordered it. Yeah. That's the thing with restaurant. Yeah, no matter how good the item is, if nobody order it, they have to discontinue it. Same like menudo, right? At the Mexican restaurant, nobody order it, but it's my a lot of people like it, but nobody order it, so they gotta discontinue it. Menudo is one of my favorite Mexican dish. Most of the white people can't eat it. Most of them. Mm. Mm. So good. Man, I'm gonna be full for 8 hours. After this, I'm gonna be dashing all night. Mm. Oh yeah, by the way, happy Memorial Day. Today is Memorial Day. Thank you, all the soldiers, for serving. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Mm. So good. Memorial Day marks the first half of the year. It's been a good year on YouTube, fam. Thanks for all the love and support. Let's go kill the second half, huh? Oh, it's not even that spicy. The best thing is to cut the chili peppers. If you like spicy, yeah. If you don't cut it, it's not spicy. The spicy part is the seed. Just chop up the chili peppers, like in thirds. In thirds, yeah. Thai chili pepper. Or if you're a spice head, go for the Carolina Reaper. Yeah, I cannot do Carolina Reaper. It's too much. Mm. Mm. See that? Cooked to perfection, fam. I think this video is 9 minutes already. I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna finish it for sure. We don't want to make it too long. 9 minutes is golden. Thank you everybody for watching. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you guys on the next one. Peace, fam.